Welcome. Today we'll learn about a product called PiliGrow Plus. PiliGrow Plus by WHIZ Laboratories. Topical solution hairspray. Procopil 5% is a hair support program with isochrysis galbana extract of 60 ml hairspray. It prolongs the anagen hair growth phase to prevent hair fall. It is the best hair strengthening and anti-hair loss formula. It provides lively hair for men and women. The originality is that the sticker of WHIZ Laboratories' genuine product is on the box. It increases the mitosis rate of hair, improves hair anchoring, supports gene expression, and stimulates hair growth. Package contains. Each pack of PiliGrow Plus contains a hairspray bottle of 60 ml. PiliGrow is also available as PiliGrow hairspray tablets, serum, hair oil and hair shampoo. Composition. All ingredients. Procopil 5% contains biotinyl GHK, hydrogenated castor oil, apigenin, and oleanolic acid, isochrysis galbana extract, red onion, allium cepa extract, propylene glycol. Fragrance. Application: hair strengthening and anti-hair loss spray. How to use: replace the bottle. Cap with the pump. Spray 8 to 10 puffs evenly distributed on your cleaned and dried scalp, then massage and style. PiliGrow Plus spray is a leave-on conditioner, so it is not necessary to wash hair after application. Use twice daily, at morning and evening. For more effective results, wash your hair with PiliGrow Anagen shampoo. Functions: uses, fortifies and rejuvenates hair follicles, and prolongs the anagen hair growth phase to prevent hair loss. Properties: Procopil is a combination of a vitaminated matrikine, biotinyl GHK, with apigenin and oleanolic acid to fight the follicle aging process to prevent hair loss. Isochrysis galbana extract regulates hair growth cycle by prolongation of the hair growth, anagen, phase and stops the transition to the hair fall phase. Characteristics: oleanolic acid inhibits 5A reductase, apigenin improves microcirculation, biotinyl GHK stimulates cell metabolism, and isochrysis galbana extract regulates hair growth cycle. Safety tips: PiliGrow Plus is formulated with ingredients that are safe for most users when used as directed. To ensure the best experience, follow these safety tips. Always perform a patch test before using a new hair product. Use the product as directed to help avoid temporary discomfort such as itching, redness, or a mild rash. Avoid applying the spray on a damaged, irritated, or infected scalp. If you notice persistent itching, swelling, or rash, discontinue use and consult a professional. Instructions: for external use only. Suitable for all hair types. Keep out of reach of children. Store in a dry place below 30 degrees Celsius. Manufacturer and buy online. PiliGrow Plus hairspray is manufactured by WHIZ Laboratories. It is available online, or you can purchase it from any nearby pharmacy. It is currently, 2026, available at the retail price of around 1,250 to 1,390 rupees. Thanks for watching and supporting. Take your medicines as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes them. You can check its article at MedsArchive.com. Have you ever used this medication? Please share your experience in the comments. Which medicine should we cover next? Your suggestion could be our next video. MedsArchive 1.